Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G82, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this Motorola device. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down. Now you need to select Privacy section over here and click on Permission Manager. After that, click on one of your device's features like Location and pick an app. I will go with Maps. Then select one of those options by tapping on the chosen one. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so now when I go back and swipe up, as you can see, Maps just gained access to this device location. But you can always just pick any feature and any app instead and click on See All Phone Permissions. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!